Kicking off our list, we have a range of custom-made furniture from COOMO, a company known for its creative solutions that blend elegance, comfort, and functionality. Whether you need hidden storage spaces, versatile seating, sleeping areas, study zones, or accessibility features, COOMO has something to elevate every living and work environment. Running out of table space for dinner guests? Their expandable tables provide the perfect solution, giving you all the room you need. With COOMO, you don't have to compromise on space or style. Next, let's explore the fascinating collection of functional sculptures by Sebastian ErraZuriz, titled Breaking the Box. This series of mechanical cabinets doubles as stunning pieces of art, pushing the boundaries of design and challenging our assumptions. At first glance, these cabinets may look simple, but they invite viewers to interact and discover the unexpected ways they open and expand, truly breaking the box of convention. ErraZuriz blends traditional woodworking techniques with advanced technology to create modular cabinets, credenzas, and boxes that rotate, spin, and evolve into new and surprising forms. Each piece is an innovative combination of art and function, offering something truly unique. Next on our list are the kitchen storage solutions by SuperiorCabinets, featuring an impressive lift-up and pull-down mechanism. This clever design ensures that all your items are easily accessible without having to reach or stand on your toes. The shelves come to you. These cabinets include neatly organized drawers for all your cooking utensils and a dedicated section for knives, making them ideal for homes with little ones, as everything is stored securely and out of reach. Additionally, the pull-out feature eliminates the need to bend down, making it easier to access your items. But that's not all. These cabinets also feature a unique design where the negative space beside the drawers opens into an extra drawer. Plus, the built-in garbage disposal system adds to the convenience. And don't miss the corner drawers, a testament to efficient design. Every inch of these cabinets is utilized to its fullest, allowing them to hold more items while maintaining the same footprint as traditional cabinets. This makes them a superb choice for optimizing kitchen storage and enhancing your overall kitchen experience. Moving on, we have the Loca functional bed, a brilliant piece of furniture that transforms from a sofa into a comfortable round bed in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. This multifunctional bed is packed with smart features, including a built-in music system, USB charging stations, Bluetooth speakers, a wooden bookshelf, and LED lighting. It's the perfect choice for those with limited space or anyone who loves the convenience of having everything in one spot. Whether you're looking to relax, entertain, or get a good night's sleep. Now, let's take a look at the Smart Motion bed, designed to bring convenience and comfort to a whole new level. With just the touch of a button, this bed transforms into a recliner, giving you ultimate relaxation whenever you need it. Another standout feature is the built-in folding desk and shelving storage that reveal themselves when the bed is pulled away, providing additional space for work or display. The same company also offers a range of wall beds equipped with a motorized lifting and closing mechanism. In less than 15 seconds, the bed silently unfolds or tucks away at the push of a button, offering an effortless way to maximize space in your home. Up next, let's explore a sleeper sofa with plenty of hidden talents. By day, it's perfect for lounging around, whether you're channel surfing, curling up with a favorite book, or just relaxing after a long day. This sofa is all about comfort and style for your everyday use. But when night falls, it transforms into a cozy bed, providing a comfortable sleeping space for family, friends, or unexpected guests. No need to worry about having extra room for sleepovers. This sofa has you covered. Next is the iconic Terrazza Sofa, a masterpiece from 1973 by Swiss designer Ubald Klug. This sofa is all about flexibility, with its modular design allowing you to experiment with countless configurations. Next, check out the Origami folding table, a fantastic space-saving find. This cool table quickly transforms into a comfy round surface, perfect for dining or working in small rooms. It's a great pick if you're short on space because it can easily tuck away in a closet when not in use. If you're looking for a cabinet that's both elegant and space-saving, while adding a unique flair to your interior, you're in luck. Designers Ian Spencer and Cairn Young from London's YardSaleProject have created an innovative piece of furniture that brings a modern twist to storage. At first, it looks like an ordinary vertical cabinet, but with a gentle rotation, it reveals several hidden storage compartments. Next, check out this unique extendable dining table from the 1980s by mid-century friends. It's a fantastic piece for adding some vintage charm to your home. The clever swivel mechanism lets the three-part tabletop expand effortlessly, while the pull-out shelves offer extra space for all your dining essentials. Up next, check out the original Circle Kitchen concept, a high-tech, smart kitchen that's perfect for city living. This ingenious design is like having a kitchen within a room, ideal for apartments, hotel rooms, vacation homes, or offices. The 1.8 square meter circular kitchen rotates a full 180 degrees, incorporating everything from a sink and dishes to a microwave and dishwasher. With its 360-degree rotating shelves, accessing all your kitchen essentials is effortless. It provides the same cupboard space as a mid-sized kitchen, but in a compact, space-saving design. What's truly revolutionary? You don't need to move around the kitchen, the stove and other components come to you. Plus, its mobility allows you to easily relocate or reposition it within your home. Next, let's check out something you might not think possible, a piece of furniture that's both a recliner and a sofa bed. This sofa reclines like a love seat and also converts into two cozy cot sleepers. But that's not all, it comes with adjustable headrests for added comfort. Next, meet the MK1 Transforming Coffee Table, a brilliant space-saving solution that brings your kitchen, dining, and living areas together in one versatile piece. With just two simple moves, this table shifts from a cozy coffee table to a spacious dining table. Let's not forget the innovative sofa bunk bed, a contemporary sofa bed that is designed with safety in mind. The bed base can be locked in the bunk bed position for extra safety. And lastly, the SpazioBed features pull-out trolleys for hidden storage, all in durable laminated beech wood.